Hello guys, welcome back to Artfibers. So today we are going to make badges for young artists. So for that I have taken this ochre color sheet and now I am done with my drawing. So this is the color palette. Now we have to cut it. Now by using different sketch pens I am adding some colors, and for giving 3D look I am using this white color sketch pen. You can use poster color also. I am going to write young Picasso with sketch pen. Now it's time to make small brushes. For that I am using this leftover brown paper and different sketch pens. So let's do our drawing for brush. Now we have to cut it and add red color, and in this way just give detail to your brush. Now I'm going to paste this brush on my palette, and now I'm writing with my badges. So you can see these beautiful badges I have made with normal paper, and you can see the 3D effect. And after that I have added these safety pins so that I can easily hang to my Lil Artists. Thank you guys.